Welcome to section 2 of activity 34. This means it's the second lesson in the week for this activity and we are still using the whole of 6. In section 2 we are looking at a property of addition called the commutative property. Commutative. Commutative. Some teachers call this the turnaround property of addition. What the commutative property of addition means is that when adding your two parts to be equal to the whole, you can change the order of the parts without changing the size of the whole. So 2 and 4 is equal to 6, and 4 and 2 is also equal to 6. You can change the order of the parts without changing the size of the whole. That is the commutative property of addition. I'll return these blocks to the wall, and if you look at your wall, you will notice some rows use the same parts or the same blocks, but they're in a different order. We're going to split the wall where this repeat happens. We're going to place each row that uses the same blocks, but they're organised in a different order, next to the row that matches with the commutative property. After we've reorganised our row, we are going to say these two-part bonds that are related using the commutative property. I'll go first. 0 and 6 is equal to 6 and 0. 1 and 5 is equal to 5 and 1. 2 and 4 is equal to 4 and 2. You'll notice we don't have 3 and 3 because if you swap them around, it's still 3 and 3. Now it's your turn to split your wall, put the rows that are related using the commutative property next to each other, and then say the two-part bonds, remembering to touch as you say them.